Everything has to go back to what's best for the student, what's best for the learner. And so when you make the argument of what type of books to buy, what type of Wi-Fi to put in, it's all based on what's occurring in the marketplace. And there's plenty of research showing that good ventilation, good environmental conditions help with the learning environment. And it's pretty cut and dry from that standpoint. I would move away from any kind of pandemic or viral mitigation to what's best for the students. And you have to work within that funding stream to make that happen. We already know that they're not going to, in the northern climates, they're not going to learn if there's no heating, and that decision's been made. The stretch from having HVAC to having HVAC code mandated ventilation, all that's there. There's not much now that we need to do that's extra, except for monitoring, measuring, and then constantly rebalancing and testing. And I don't think that is that much of a lift in today's marketplace. So we do need to keep our buildings tuned up, and just like a car, and they do slowly go out of balance. And all these modernized buildings are great. They have plenty of ventilation based on code, and it's just about operational and educational time. So I think it is not that big of a lift. If you were talking to folks and go back to, well, what's best for the student? We expect tempered climate classrooms now. Anywhere in this country, it should be within a certain environmental zone, and that same goes with the air.